Long ago, there lived a merchant. He used to deal in salt. He had a donkey who was very lazy and always hesitant of doing work. The merchant used to load the salt bag on the back of the donkey to sell in the market. On the way, there was a river. On the way, the merchant and his donkey were on their way to the market. While crossing the river, the donkey accidentally slipped and fell into the river. A lot of salt in the bag got dissolved in the water. When the donkey got up, the load became very light. The donkey was happy. From that day, whenever the merchant and the donkey were on the bridge, the donkey